I'm just going to go for hive number 4 now. Open it up and give the bees a quick feed, and then also check the beetle traps. There's a couple of beetles already trapped in it. It's only been in there 2 days, so that's well done. And a really cheap method. I wonder what happens if you left them in there a couple of weeks. How many beetles you'd get stuck. Then we chuck it into my little bucket of water and get rid of them. At the top of the box here, we've got I'm trying to do a sticky frame this, but I've already started to build out two of the frames of the supers, which is good. Full of nectar, fantastic. Upsize cap, even better. That's good to see. There's still 5 frames here that I haven't even drawn out yet. On the other side here, pretty much nearly done with the big one. Very good. So they are coming up and drawing that off. It's going to be interesting to see how they've been going in that sticky down below. So I try to let the bees have a look at, see how they go in there and laying brood, but don't like the chances of just starting to make it honey. There's not a lot going on in that sticky. You can see here. Pretty much a waste of time. So pretty much here, you have a look, we've got all the frames looking good. So I have a quick squeeze, put some chucks in there because it seems to be working, and then we'll pack it all up and put some bee pollen in. a little bit of brood. Not much happened on that. That was a new foundation we popped in there when we took the nuke. So they built it out. There's a little bit of cat. A little bit of brood in there. So that's great. They don't seem to be liking too much this black plastic foundation. This side looks much better. The drone in there. Very good. Another black foundation in here in the middle, trying to help them recover from taking those nukes out. Just building it out. There's the queen down there. Can you see her down the bottom? The pink one. Very good. I'll pop it back in. Nice couple of bees there with heaps of pollen on them. Lots of larvae in there, all piled up there. Wow, that cat hunt, building it out. What's going on with that one? Building it out. I'll flip that one in. Now they're going to build into that, aren't they? Very good. So I don't think the queen's ever going to go up into that sticky, so I might just take that sticky box off to 3/4. Give me some bee pollen. Take those other bees out.